Hi guys, welcome to Prime Review. Today I am introducing the free apps. When you're watching YouTube, you can see the ads in the YouTube and it's sometimes irritating and disturbing. This app has no ads or very minimal ads for the YouTube. It's called Lite and it can also play in the floating window too. So let's check it. So let's click this clip. It will pop out to be full screen or floating windows. And you can play it right here.
กลัวน้องมีคนอื่นนะดินี่ทำอะไรอยู่อ่ะ
You can see there is no ad.
ไอ้ที่บอกว่า
This
คิด
is
ถึง
the
เนี่ย
floating window.
คือจะให้มาช่วย
Floating window will have the 3-minute timeout. If you want to retain it more than 3 minutes, you have to upgrade to the Pro. But however, this has no ads. So if you want to support the developer, just upgrade it. And now I don't upgrade it. So let's try it. And don't forget to draw the permission to draw over the apps here. You can see
กลัวน้องมีคนอื่นนะดินี่ทำอะไรอยู่อ่ะแพ็คของอ่ะ
now
ช่วงนี้ออเดอร์เยอะ
the
มาก
video is in the floating screen. You can move it anywhere on your phone
คือจะให้มาช่วยแพ็คของใช่ไหม
and continue
บ้าคิดถึง
playing.
จริง แต่ว่าถ้าบิวช่วยเนี่ยมันก็
Another
เป็นผล
app
พลอยได้ไง
if you want
ช่วยก็ได้
is easy as that. You can click close here. And it will go off. The app is in the Play Store here. It's called Playlite for YouTube by Panagola. You can see this is the app. Full screen play, floating window, and no ads. Just 0.2 megabyte, no ads free. You can see this. So this is the way to watch YouTube without irritating apps, and it's free. Thank you guys. See you later. If you found this video was informative, please press like and subscribe to my channel. I will be very happy and keep continue make good videos to you. Thank you very much guys. See you later.